Canon EOS camera not focusing properly? This usually happens due to incorrect focus settings, dirty lens, or low light conditions. In this video, I'll show you how to fix focusing issues on your Canon EOS camera. So let's fix it right now. Before doing anything else, clean the front and back glass of the lens with a microfiber cloth. Then try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check lens AF/MF switch. Look at the side of your lens. There should be a switch labeled AF/MF. Make sure this is set to AF. If it's set to MF, the lens won't autofocus, and your photos may be blurry. Solution 2. Change AF method. Turn on your camera. Set the mode dial to P, TV, AV, or M. Then press the menu button. After that, click on the right arrow button to go to the fourth camera icon tab. Here you can find the AF method option. Select it, then press the set button. Here you will get the 4 options: AF tracking, flexi zone, single flexi zone, multi, and quick mode. Now select the flexi zone, single or flexi zone multi mode. After selecting, press the set button to confirm it. Solution 3. Reset camera settings. Turn on your camera, now press the menu button. Next, go to the wrench icon using the arrow button. Here you will get 4 wrench icons. You need to go to the 4th wrench icon. Here you will find the clear settings option. Tap on it, then select clear all camera settings. Next, click the set button, then select OK, and then click the set button to confirm it. Wait for a while and it's cleared everything. Now switch off your camera and then switch back on again and see whether your problem is solved or not. Hope your issue is fixed by now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.